Fashion isn't just about clothes. It's a reflection of our ever-evolving society. As we dive into the world of design dissection, we unravel the intricate web of influences shaping today's fashion trends. From cultural fusion to the digital revolution, sustainability to gender fluidity, inclusivity to retro resurgence, these factors are the driving forces behind the metamorphosis of style in the trend tribe. Cultural fusion is like a vibrant tapestry, weaving together diverse traditions and aesthetics from around the globe. It's about celebrating differences and embracing the beauty of multiculturalism. This fusion of ideas and inspirations creates a melting pot of creativity that fuels the innovation and uniqueness we see in modern fashion. The digital revolution has transformed the way we consume and interact with fashion. Social media platforms have become runways in their own right, democratizing style and giving rise to a new breed of influencers. The immediacy of digital communication has accelerated the pace of trends, making fashion more accessible and inclusive than ever before. Sustainability is no longer just a buzzword. It's a fundamental pillar of the fashion industry. Designers are reimagining materials, production processes, and supply chains to minimize environmental impact and promote ethical practices. The shift towards sustainable fashion is not just a trend. It's a movement towards a more conscious and responsible future. Gender fluidity is challenging traditional notions of masculinity and femininity, blurring the lines between genders and opening up new possibilities for self-expression. Fashion is becoming a powerful tool for breaking down stereotypes and promoting inclusivity, allowing individuals to embrace their true selves without constraints. Inclusivity is at the heart of the fashion revolution, with designers and brands embracing diversity in all its forms. From size-inclusive collections to adaptive clothing for people with disabilities, the industry is becoming more representative of the world we live in. Fashion is for everyone, regardless of age, race, body type, or background. Retro resurgence is a nostalgic nod to the past, with designers drawing inspiration from bygone eras to create fresh interpretations of classic styles. From 70s boho chic to 90s streetwear, retro influences are breathing new life into contemporary fashion, adding a touch of vintage charm to modern wardrobes. As we navigate the ever-changing landscape of fashion, remember that style is not just about what we wear. It's a form of self-expression, a reflection of our values and beliefs. By understanding the influences shaping fashion trends, we can appreciate the artistry and innovation that drive the evolution of style in today's dynamic and diverse fashion tribe.